Okay, we just have a few final steps to do before we're finished with the bike tours assignment. We're going to fix our formatting, go all the way to F, merge, center, size 15, hit enter, and bold. We'll just leave it like this and not worry about all caps unless you really want to type it again. Let's center these and underline them, Control U. Let's make all of this currency. I'm just going to select a whole big section that will come down far enough to include some numbers we're going to have here and a number we're going to have here. Since they're all currency, they're all money, we can go up to Format, go to Number, and change the type of cells to currency. And let's go with the currency rounded. I didn't see any cents on there anyway. They were all whole dollars. Okay, and this right here is spilling over into G, so let's come up on this line and double click. Okay, I believe the formatting looks great. Okay, step 1 today says use the concatenate function. Now, this is something we haven't done before. We'll do a lot more of it next week, but we're just doing it once today. And in cell C5, so right there, it tells us that we want to have the cell show the word, this word, and this price. Okay, so that's the concatenate formula. Equals concatenate. Okay, what that means is to combine a word or number from this cell with a word or number from this other cell. So equals concatenate, left parenthesis, because what it wants to know is the highest monthly expense, what it's called, and how much it is. So the highest monthly expense is $2,100, which is wages. Their biggest bill is paying their employees. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to put a comma, and then a quotation mark, and then a dash dash, and then a quotation mark. Okay, because I'll show you why in a second. Then a comma, and then this number. And then end it with a parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, so then it will put in both of these, and it will not just put them right together. We told it to put dashes in between. Now let's click on this, and up here, let's actually, I was going to say put in a dollar sign, but that may mess it up. We'll just leave it like that. That's great. Okay, remember next week we'll go into more detail and we'll use it several times, but just to kind of get a little preview of what it's like, we did one concatenate formula today. All right, so then in C21, it wants us to do a formula to show our net income. Okay, so really what we're wanting to do is take our income from all our customers, all the business we've done, subtract all of our expenses, and right here we want it to show our profit, how much money we have left over. Okay, that's known as net income. So equals, we'll click this one, we'll put a minus sign, we'll click this one and hit enter. Okay, 4,155 is our profit. 7,100 is how much we brought in, but we had to pay all these bills. And then we can just copy this one over using the fill handle, going on the bottom right corner. Okay, and yearly, this is how much profit. Okay, so we have done step 1, concatenate, step 2, net income, step 3, copy the net income. We've done that one. Okay, the last thing is to insert the picture that we downloaded the other day. So let's go to insert, and we will come down here to image. Do we want it in one little cell, or do we just want it over the cells? Well, it's kind of a bigger picture, so we want it over the cells. And hopefully you're on the very same computer you were using when you did the first part of this assignment, because it'll be on that computer's downloads. Go to Browse. And then in downloads, you're looking for Beaver Mountain Bike Tours, but not the text document, the JPEG, the picture. Double click it. And then we'll click and hold on this, and let's just bring it up and put it somewhere about right there. Maybe, if it will let us. Okay, and we were going to do some cropping and some borders around it, but turns out Google Sheets doesn't have the tools that we need for that. So that is just fine. We'll leave it like that, and we will call it good. Oh, can I just say one more thing? Will you select these two and do Control U, underline, to show that's the problem, that's the answer. That's the problem, that's the answer. And do the same here. Right above total expenses, let's underline those, Control U. Okay, that looks great. All right, that is it. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.